Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from your video in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on Capcut. Then I'm going to choose one of video from my gallery. I'm going to select video, for example, from one of my album. I'm going to choose a video from here, for example this one guys, and I'm going to remove an object from this video. Okay, just wait for a moment. All right, and then for example I'm going to remove the tags from my video. If we want to remove an object, we need to duplicate our video. We can click on our video and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. Okay, this one, and we're going to make it as an overlay. You can click on the video, the duplicated video, and then you can click on overlay. Okay, then we can make the second video align with the first video. And to remove the unwanted object, we can click on second video and then go to the mask option. We're going to use mask to cover the unwanted object on our video. I'm going to select mask, and then you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply. For instance, I'm going to select the circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask. Okay, and you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. And for example, I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the object, I think. Okay, then you can click on the check mark and then you can drag the mask to cover the object you want to remove from your video. Okay, now it's done, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to apply filter or go to the adjustment. Click on the video and then I'm going to go to the adjustment. Okay, go to adjust and I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. I'm going to increase the brightness and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, this one is perfect, and then we can click on the check mark and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, and if the object is moving on your video, I recommend you to use the keyframe so the mask will follow the moving object. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.